Hello, welcome back to English with Miss Faith. Let's talk about something that confuses many English learners, but is actually fun once you understand it. Phrasal verbs. What exactly are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are verbs combined with one or two small words, usually a preposition or an adverb that change the meaning of the verb. It actually changes the original meaning of the verb or the sentence. For example, the word look. To look means to see. But when you say look after, it simply means to take care of. You can see that the meaning has changed from look, which is see, to taking care of. We also have look for. Look for means to search. Take note, look, which is a verb, means to see. Look after means to take care of, and look for means to search for something. From these examples, you can see that we have same verb but different meanings. That's the magic of phrasal verbs. Why are phrasal verbs important? Native speakers use phrasal verbs every day in every conversation. If you want to sound more natural and confident, learning phrasal verbs is a big step. Let's look at common phrasal verbs you should know. The first one is get up, to rise from bed. Get up means to rise from bed. Example, I get up at 6 a.m. every day. Number 2 is put off, to postpone or delay something. For example, stop putting off your assignments. Number 3, we have turn off or turn on, which means to start or stop a machine. For example, please turn off the lights, or you can say, please turn on the lights. And the next one is bring up, to mention a topic. Bring up means to mention a topic. For example, she brought up an interesting topic. And the last one we have is run out of, which means to have no more of something. For example, we run out of gas. Let's quickly look at how to learn phrasal verbs easily. Number 1, learn them in context, not in isolation. Use them in sentences. You're expected to use phrasal verbs in your sentences every day. Number 2, practice daily. Practice daily conversations using new phrasal verbs. Number 3, group them by verbs. For example, look up, look after, look into. And we also have don't memorize too many at once. If you must learn phrasal verbs, you are expected not to memorize too many at once. Take them one step at a time. Let's try a short practice. I will say a sentence and you guess the phrasal verb. I will say a sentence and you are to guess the phrasal verb for that sentence. I'm too tired. Let's delay the meeting. The sentence is, I'm too tired. Let's delay the meeting. What phrasal verb is that? Can you guess? Okay, the phrasal verb is put off. Put off. Alright, if you enjoyed this class, please give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friend, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel for more fun English lessons. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye for now.